Hello, wondering how to free up some space on your iPhone and manage some storage? Well, here's a quick way how to do that. So we're in our iPhone here. We're going to tap on Settings. We're going to scroll down to where we see General, which I have right here. We're going to tap on General. Then we're going to iPhone Storage here. Here's a list of your iPhone storage, which is a set amount that you purchase when you purchase your iPhone. So here we go. We've got a couple recommendations on the top. The first ones are review some large attachments or review Apple TV downloads. So we could go through and review large attachments in our messages, and we could just delete some by swiping over to from right to left and let it go to delete or tapping delete. So we're going to do that twice, get rid of those two. Next thing we could do is we could review our Apple TV downloads. We could remove certain things from there as well. Then we have individual apps as well, which we could review data inside those individual apps or remove them completely if they're using too much data. Great example that would be podcasts. We can go in here, and then as you can see, there's different podcasts in here, and we can just remove those by swiping over as well. That would be how to review and free up some space in your iPhone or iOS device. Thank you for watching. As always, like and subscribe for more tech tips.